Hello and greetings from the Weathercast team. Today we are bringing to you a video on the Indian summer monsoon, analysis and outlook by our team. The Indian monsoon is roughly 45 days away and it is the most awaited season. So our team at Weathercast, which is a weather startup, decided to analyze and present to you the outlook and the predictions for the summer monsoon 2022. Before we get into the dynamical details, just wanted to present to you the key points. Based on our detailed analysis, we have come to the conclusion that monsoon 2022 performance is going to be within 94 to 106% with an average of 100%. We understand that the model error that we present here is slightly on the higher side, which is plus or minus 6%, but there is an explanation for this which we will cover when we talk about the dynamical aspects. So we expect that the monsoon is going to be normal this time. The monsoon season is going to be normal and the confidence interval is close to 60%, and like we already said, the model error is plus or minus 6%, so we can expect anywhere between 94% of the long period average to 106% of the long period average, and the mean is 100%. So that means that in terms of rainfall values itself, for the month of June, July, August, September, the pan-India rainfall is likely to be 880 millimeters with an error of 50 millimeters plus or minus. So that means we can expect anywhere between 830 millimeters to 930 millimeters of rainfall. So mostly the chance is that there is a 60% chance of a normal season, while we also say that there is a 20% chance of an above normal season, which is the monsoon may go above 100%, or there is a 20% chance of a below normal season, so the monsoon rainfall may be closer to 94%. But overall, there is an 80% chance that the monsoon season 2022 is likely to be normal or slightly on the excess side. So the monsoon predictions at this time of the year, they primarily depend on few factors, which is the El Nino Southern Oscillation in the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean Dipole in the Indian Ocean, and how the jet stream is moving, and of course how the Madden-Julian Oscillation is also moving around the globe. So looking at all the drivers, the climate drivers, our team feels that weak to moderate La Nina conditions are likely to continue until July 2022, along with a neutral IOD. After July, most likely neutral ENSO conditions, so neither La Nina nor El Nino is going to be seen, with the possibility of neutral or weakly negative IOD. So the IOD consensus is not very clear right now. There is a lot of divergence in the model. So if it becomes neutral IOD, then the monsoon may remain normal or slightly excess. But if the IOD changes to negative, then we may see some monsoon moving in the 95% of the long period average. However, this is the dynamical aspects. So looking at the dynamical charts, this is the sea surface temperature vertical profile in the Pacific Ocean. As you can see that the La Nina conditions are still prevailing with colder temperatures in the Central Pacific and warmer temperatures in the Western Pacific. And also the thermocline is also deeper in the Western Pacific and shallower in the Eastern Pacific, which is going to give it a beneficial trade winds, which is exactly what we see here. So the trade winds are also very active. So hence the La Nina conditions are still persisting, which are expected to persist until July and maybe slightly wane away in August and September, but the impact of ENSO will still remain neutral after July. Even if the La Nina wanes away, there is absolutely no chance of El Nino developing, is what we feel as of now. Now looking at the Indian Ocean Dipole, you see that there is a neutral IOD conditions because the warming is in the Bay of Bengal, and there is not much changes in the Western Indian Ocean. This is Eastern Indian Ocean. So Eastern Indian Ocean is slightly warmer, which is what gives rise to the neutral IOD conditions. But as of now, the neutral IOD conditions are not very important. It remains to be seen how the IOD evolves coming in the future months, especially during June, July, and August, September. But looking at the current situations, the overall distribution map is what is shown here. This is the map for the entire JJAS period, entire monsoon period. If you wish to get monthly updates, please subscribe to our services. Go to weathercast.in, email us, and we will always be ready to provide you with services. Overall, what we feel is that there is going to be, the South Peninsular India is going to have a normal monsoon season. Parts of Maharashtra, Telangana may receive some excess rains. Central India will see normal rainfall. North India, we are not very sure right now because we don't know how the Indian Ocean dipole evolves, and also what is the status of the neutral ENSO conditions. And similarly, we are not very sure about the northeastern parts, but that's why we have put borderline. So this is a new term which we have brought about, which signifies that the overall rainfall could be either below normal or normal in these states. Overall, we feel that the monsoon is likely to make a strong onset with good performances in June and July. August and September performances are difficult to gauge right now because we need to look at how the Indian Ocean dipole evolves. So now we will end with saying why the model error of plus or minus 6%. The models have a huge divergence on how IOD is going to evolve. If the neutral conditions prevail beyond July 2022, then the monsoon may not be impacted much and we will end up with normal monsoon season. However, if negative IOD conditions set up, then there could be a negative impact, especially in the northwest and the northeast regions. The movement of MJ is also very important. MJF forecasts are only valid for a very short period, 15 to 30 days. Hence, during the monsoon season, if MJO spends too much time in phases 1 and 2, then the monsoon currents are impeded and the Arabian Sea of the monsoon gets affected. So the IOD and MJ are going to be the X factor as long as it comes to whether the monsoon is going to end up in the excess category above 100% or below 100%. And the last but not the very, it has a minor role to play, the rate at which the La Nina weakens. So if the La Nina is going to weaken very quickly after July, then that may also impede the monsoon. Hence, keeping these factors in mind, we have given a very large error, which is plus or minus 6%. So again, we would like to say that anywhere between 94% to 106% is the monsoon prediction from our team. But most likely there is a 60% chance of a normal monsoon season is what we feel. So overall, it is expected that the monsoon is going to be benevolent for India in the coming months. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if your businesses need division-wise or district-wise prediction, then please contact us and avail our services. We do provide very intelligent hyperlocal weather and climate forecasting as well for businesses and organizations to plan and organize their businesses. So you can reach out to us at info@weathercast.in or weathercastindia@gmail.com. And for more information, please visit weathercast.in, our website. Thank you for watching this video. And if there are any comments, please put it in the comment box. Thanks.